I'm Praveen, Assistant Professor, Department of English, AJK College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today, I'm going to teach how to introducing self-introductions to others. And there is a reason is why it's such an important skills to learn. And when you are meeting for someone, you are a little nervous. That time, what you are doing. First of all, what is self-introductions? A self-introduction is a way of introducing yourself to others, and it can brief statement to give an overview of who are, what you're doing. Self-introductions are common in any different situations, such as when you are starting a new job, organizations are meeting. Self-introductions are an important social skills, can help you or good impressions on others. They allow you to communicate your strength, skills, interest to others, can help you build connections with relationship others. So it's always the good idea to prepare with your self-introductions that you can use various situations. And the next part is advantage of self-introductions. Students can improve their self-confidence, motivations, and interpersonal skills. The next one is creator sense and self-growth. Happy and joy environment is created. And next one is less fear. And next one is more energy and motivating to act. And next one is preparing for success. First of all, start with greetings. What is greeting? It's nothing but how do you start with someone who meet you? First you start hi, hello. For example, hi sir, hello ma'am. Something add for the greeting words. Hi, good morning. Hello, good afternoon. And next one is name. Then how you tell your name is most simplest one. I'm Praveen. So what's your name? How do you tell your name? Examples. I'm Praveen. My name is Praveen. This is Praveen. It's me, Praveen. And next one is place. When you are meeting for someone, you're introducing for the name and it's part of the place. And where you came from, where do you live? Examples. I am from Tirchi. I belongs to Coimbatore. I came of state of Tamil Nadu. And next one is occupations. So for me, I'm a professor. So what you do? What your occupations? Let's share about your occupations. I'm a student. I'm a doctor. I'm a teacher. And next part is qualifications. And you share your academic details appear to the resume. Examples. I am studied in UG college name and place. Or I completing PG college name and place. And next part is experience. If you are freshers, let's share about I'm a fresher. If you are experienced, let's share about I'm experienced. For example, have 2-year experience in teaching line. Have 5-year experience in IT field. So let's share about your experience. And next is beautiful one is add from self-introductions is hobbies. What you are doing in free time. It can help to mention your interest or hobbies, as this can give people a sense of your personality, what you are enjoying doing your free time. Examples. My hobby is singing song, dancing, reading books. I like drawing. I really like playing tennis. So let's share about what you are doing in free time. That is called hobbies. And next one is strength. Share your strength. I'm a quick learner, hard worker, self-motivated. So let's share about your strength. And next one is goal. What you are thinking about your future goal. It's always the good idea to let you know what you hope to achieve in the future. Examples. My short-term goal to be placed in MNC company. My long-term goal to be placed in government job. So it is a goal. And next one is the end point. So that's all about me. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you. That is called for end event. So hopefully this class is useful for how to introducing yourself to others. And thank you so much. Thank you.